The rain has stopped for a moment. We're here in Wiley, Texas, Encore Park, disc golf park that is. Temperature's great, ground's moist. See if we can hit a few holes here. What do you say, Mama Bear?
Hey, disc golf.
It's wet out here. There it is.
Shit, my body won't do it. Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Leave it. Then run doing yours.
Okay. Nice.
I have to watch where I step. Okay. And Ted, why do you say that?
Lets me know my release point. Pop! Yeah, pop it towards the basket, baby.
Ted's new thing is saying pop every time he putts.
Safe, living, awesome.